Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, beta.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, beta.
Good evening. Good evening,
Good
ma'am.
evening, beta. Good evening.
I'm today at 6 o'clock I gave my maths exam.
Okay,
They
you have given.
Yes, ma'am. I have given I had a doubt in the second question.
Okay. Siddhant, I will clear your doubt by WhatsApp only, okay? Because few children have not done the test. They have not attempted the test, okay?
Yes, ma'am. The second question it was
Okay. I will share the solution, okay?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, beta. Children, just wait for 2 to 3 minutes, then we will start, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, beta. Okay, children, let's start now. Good evening once again, all of you.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good
Ma'am,
evening.
ma'am, I could not understand the homework you gave.
Homework.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, don't worry, I will clear. Screen is visible, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Okay. Have you done the homework, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All have done?
Yes,
Ma'am, I
ma'am.
did it, but I kept it in some other paper and then I kept it somewhere. I'll find it and I'll send it to you.
Okay, beta. The question was this, on selling a table for rupees 600, right? This question, beta.
Ma'am, did you give marks for everyone?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, did you give marks for everyone?
Marks for which question?
Ma'am, like the whole test, did you correct everyone's test?
Yes, I will share the marks also.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, Hamza, you are asking this question. On selling a table for rupees 600, a main losses rupees 20, right?
No, ma'am, the second question.
By selling a chair for rupees 1740. This question.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, I forgot. You actually sent the marks in the group.
Yes, I have sent. You have not seen?
Ma'am, right now I saw.
Okay. See, beta, the question was, by selling a chair for rupees, homework question, doubt is, by selling a chair for rupees 1440, right? For rupees 1440, a trader gains 20%. Right, then find the cost price. This was the question. So in this, children, but we have given selling price, right? So selling price is given rupees 1440 rupees. And gain percent is given 20. Right? And we have to find cost price. So there is a formula, if you have remembered, that 100 upon 100 plus gain percent into SP. Right, beta? Have you remembered, children, this formula? So 100 upon
Yes, ma'am.
100 plus 20 into SP. SP is 1440. Now 100 upon 100 plus 20, 120 into 1440. 0, 0, cancel. 12 ones are 12, 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24. So answer will be 1200. So it means the cost price of a chair is rupees 1200. Understood, beta?
Yes.
Yes, children, all have understood?
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
always getting
Yes, ma'am.
confused in these formulas.
You are having confusion?
I'm like in this for remembering the formulas. Like,
Okay. So you can solve this question by another method also. See, I'm explaining you. So you can let the cost price be rupees 100. Okay.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, Siddhant.
And the question was, by selling us chair for rupees 1740, trader gains 40% by the cost price of the chair. That was the question, right?
Yes.
Ma'am, but here you wrote another question.
It's okay, beta. Instead of 40, you can write 20.
Ma'am, like it
So
was
it
there
will be
by selling
140
a
only,
chair.
right?
Ma'am, it was there by selling a chair for rupees
Siddhant?
1740.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you wrote 1440 and
Yeah.
it is actually
So let
140.
the cost price be rupees 100, beta. And yes. Confirm. बंद कर देने कैसे फिर? बुझ लिया तो Am I audible, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes. So see, children, instead of you are saying that in homework it was 40%, right?
Yes,
Ma'am,
also
ma'am.
the
So by
cost price
mistake,
of
I
the
have written this.
ma'am, the selling price of the chair was
It's
1,740.
okay. Fine. So you can apply that formula only. So no need to take, no need to worry, beta, 40%. So cost price will be 100 upon 1740, sorry, 100 plus 40 will be 140.
Yes, ma'am.
Just apply this formula only, beta. So 1740. 0, cancel. And then solve it. 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 sevens are. Then you will get 8700 divided by 7. Now divided by 7, you will get the cost price. Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood?
Ma'am, is the
Yes,
answer
ma'am.
to 1,242.86?
Yes, it will be in, it will comes in decimal. So 8700 by 7 divided. 7 was 7. 7 2 ja 14. 3. And then you will copy down 3. Then it will be 7 4s are 28. Again 7 2s are. And then 14s, then 8. So it will be rupees 1,242.8 something, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
So children, see the next method, other method, let cost price be 100 rupees. And then its ASP will be 100 plus 20% gain. So it will be 120, right? And then
Yes, ma'am.
you can apply the unitary method. If the selling price is 120, then the cost price is 100. And if the selling price is rupees 1, then the cost price will be 100 divided by 120, right, beta? Because to find in less quantity, we need to divide. And when the cost price is 1440 or 1740, so it will be 100 upon 120 multiply 1440. Now 0 cancel, 12 ones are 12, it will be 12. So rupees 1200. So same answer you will get. Clear, beta? Understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, for each problem, can you write all the formulas of profit and loss?
Yeah. And I will share in the group also, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, you wrote SP is equals to 100 plus 20.
Yes, beta.
No. Ma'am, what, like, you took CP as 100.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So children, may I proceed to next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
This question is quite important. See, a
Ma'am,
man. Yes, beta.
I actually couldn't attend the first class of this chapter.
Yes.
Now I can't find the recording also in the Wise app. So is it possible to write all the formulas?
Yes, beta. See, formula is, I'm writing here only, children, those who have not written, kindly note it down. If you need to find gain, then gain will be, beta, SP minus CP, and loss, you need to find CP minus SP. And then gain percent formula is gain divided by cost price into 100. And in the same way, loss percent will be loss upon cost price into 100. These are the basic four formulas which you already done in grade 6, right? Now, whenever CP is given and SP you need to find, then formula is 100 plus gain percent divided by 100 into cost price. Then when loss is given, then you need to subtract So 100 minus loss percent divided by 100 into CP. Yes. Now cost price will be 100 upon 100 plus gain percent into SP. And then when loss is given, so 100 upon 100 minus loss percent into SP. Clear, beta? Please note all these formulas. Written, children?
Yes, ma'am. Just a minute, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
1 second.
Ma'am, in this loss percent, you wrote loss by CP into 100.
Yes,
It
beta.
should be CP or SP.
Where?
Loss percent.
CP. Because loss and gain always reckoned on the cost price. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Because without cost price, you can't imagine that what is there, gain or loss is there. Okay. Done, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Rohini,
1
have you
minute.
written?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children, on the left hand side, I am writing the question. Okay. A man sold 2 radios at rupees 4,800 each. On one, he gains 20% and on the other, he loses 20%. Find the gain or loss percent in the whole transaction. So is there any idea, children, how we can solve it?
Just a minute. Let me write the question. Ma'am, a man sold two.
Radios.
Okay.
So what we can do? Siddhant, turn on your camera. Shritesh, turn on your camera.
Ma'am, the second radio, how much loss he? Oh, okay, ma'am.
20%, 20%. Siddhant, are you typing something?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So tapping
Ma'am,
voice is coming. Yes.
should we find the SP? No, should we
See,
find the
SP.
cost? We find the cost price?
Yes. Firstly, you will find the cost price in each case. Right? So apply the formulas which I have written. Which formula you will apply in the case of gain?
CP equals to 100 by 100 plus
100
gain
plus.
percent into SP.
Yes, very good. Please apply that and tell me the cost price. Screen is visible, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's like 20% means should we write it like 20 by 100?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
I think
Yes, beta.
like is the answer 4%, like it is loss.
You are telling me the overall, right?
Like yes, ma'am, like the overall answer.
Okay, okay, okay.
Ma'am, is it right?
Okay, let me solve. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, children. First of all, tell me, are you able to solve this question or else I will explain?
Ma'am, we should
We are
find
able to
1 by
solve.
100.
Yeah. See, children, a man sold 2 radios. So it means what is given here?
Oh,
What is given? Selling price, na?
yes, namaste.
So you will write selling price of one radio is rupees 4,800, right? And in first case, he gains 20%. So gain percent is given 20. Now we can find cost price by this formula. See, this formula 100 upon 100 plus gain percent into selling price. So 100 upon 100 plus gain percent is 20 into selling price is 4,800. Now solve it, beta. So it will be 100 upon 120 into 4,800. So 0, 0 cancel. 12 ones are 12. 12 fours are 48. So it will be 4,000. So have you got the cost price of one video as 400, children? Tell me.
Sorry,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Can you repeat?
I'm asking that have you got the cost price of one radio as 4,000 or not?
Yes, ma'am. I got
Ma'am, I
2.
got 4,000. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I got 4,000.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am,
Now
4,000.
next is, now in second case, again selling price of radio is 4,800, right? And And now here loss is given. Loss is 20%. So in case of loss, you will apply this formula, last one.
Yes, ma'am.
So 100 upon 100 minus loss percent into cost price. Right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now 100 upon 100 minus losses, 100 minus 20 is 80 into 40, 800. So 0, 0 cancel. Then it will be 600. So what was the cost price? 6,000?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Total cost price, because we need to find price of both videos. Both
Yes,
radios. Yes, now add them. Rupees 4,000 plus rupees 6,000. Right, children?
Yes,
So it
ma'am.
will be 10,000. And total cost price will be, total selling price. Now they have, he has solved of rupees 4,800. Now add them. So what you will get? 9,600, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now tell me, SP is greater or CP is greater?
CP is greater.
CP is greater.
Yes. CP
The
is
loss.
greater than SP. Then there is a loss.
Loss.
Loss. So therefore, you will find the loss amount. So loss will be cost price minus selling price. Right? So 10,000 minus rupees 9,600. Right, children? So it will be 400.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we have to find percent. So loss percent will be
Ma'am, loss percent will
loss
be loss by
into 100.
into 100.
CP into 100.
Yes. So 400 upon
Upon
cost price is 10,000
10,000
into
into
100.
100.
So it's 0000 cancel. This 0000 cancel. So you will get 4%.
Ma'am, I got 4%
Right?
loss.
Yes. Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So children, tell me, have you understood this question?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Advika,
Ma'am, can
Adit,
you
have you
scroll a bit?
understood?
I'll just copy the thing
Ma'am,
that
I
you
understood.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you scroll up a bit?
Yeah, beta, yeah. I'm scrolling. Charvik, Devesh, Sritej, Hamza, Rishit, Shriyansh, Aishwarya,
Understood, ma'am.
Yes,
Aman,
ma'am.
Ma'am, Charvik is messaging in chat.
Charvik wants you to explain again.
Soumya.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
It's fine, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, Charvik is messaging like, can you explain it?
Okay, let me. Yes, beta Charvik. See, in this question, a man sold 2 radios, okay? Each of the selling price having 4,800, right? So, in both the cases, we will find the cost price. So, selling price of one radio is given 4,800 and gain is given 20%, okay? So, you will apply the formula for finding CP. It is
Ma'am,
100
Ma'am, when
upon.
you're writing, I got confused because you wrote CP equal to 100 by 100 minus loss into CP.
Okay, this. Okay, thank you. So here you need to write S instead of P, right? So a formula is 100 upon 100 plus gain percent into SP. So apply, put the values 100 upon 100 plus 20 into 4,800. So 100 upon 120 into 4,800. Then you will get 4,000. It means the selling cost price of one radio is 4,000. In the same way, we will calculate for second radio. Now, for after selling the second radio, he got loss. How much loss he suffered? 20%. So, in case of loss, you will subtract loss from 100. And then after applying the formula, you will get 6,000. Now we have to find the overall loss or gain percent. So find the total cost price, it will be 10,000. And then total selling price, 4,800 plus 4,800, 9,600. Now, cost price is greater than selling price. So there is a loss. So subtract 9,600 from 10,000. You will get 400 as loss. Now find the loss percent. Apply the formula, loss upon cost price into 100. Then you will get 4%. Clear, beta? Charvik, have you understood now? Children, please show me your thumbs up. All have understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta.
Can you scroll down?
Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you scroll down a bit? Ma'am, can you scroll down a bit? Ma'am, can you scroll down? Uh,
Ma'am, can you scroll down?
Yes, beta. Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Written, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Soumya, have you written?
Yes, ma'am.
Children, you all are having NCERT textbook?
No, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
I will share the pic of NCERT textbook. Kindly solve those questions, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Because
Okay.
these questions are from ARS Agarwal as well as ML Agarwal. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. And after solving the questions, please make a habit of sending your solutions to me so that I can check your steps, that whether you are doing the correct steps or not. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine, children? Only Siddhant is replying. What about others?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
So I want all 15, all 14 worksheets. Okay? Solutions.
Okay, ma'am.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Bye-bye, children. Now we will meet in next class.
Bye, ma'am.